Hi, this is Sato. In this video, I will talk about Ikema Island, which is located in the northwest of Miyako City. This island has a population of about 900 and is as small as Ikema Island, so you can drive around within about 15 minutes. It takes about 30 minutes from Miyako Airport and about 45 minutes from Shimochishima Airport by car. The area is called Shimajiri and Karimata that you have to go along by car are vertically long, so you may feel the road you take is a little bit long, but it's suited for driving. This bridge called Ikema Ohashi is shorter than Irabu Bridge, so you'll have a sense of closeness to the sea. Before you start crossing the bridge from Miyako Island to Ikema Island, there is a small parking lot. The transparency of the sea from here is perfect. The color of the sea of this island that changes depending on an angle of the shining sun is exquisite. The beaches in Ikema Island are not so known to travelers, but each of them has its own names. This is Ohama Beach, Ikezu Beach. The comfortable looking town is so aesthetic. Both of my mind and body felt relaxed. This is a place for gate ball where old Japanese people often get together. Ikema Island has a port and flourishes with not only a fishing industry, but also marine tours like diving and snorkeling. There is an area called Yabiji, located to the north of Ikema Island. It is one of the largest coral reefs in Japan. There are several marine shops that go there from Ikema Island. I don't know the marine shops except people from different countries, but if you want to experience it, do a search for Yabiji Marine Service, spelling Y-A-B-I-J-I. Unfortunately, I couldn't go there because of the bad tide, but the marine staff brought us to another place around Ikema Island instead of Yabiji. It was also beautiful. There are some restaurants and shops that sell souvenirs soon after finishing crossing the bridge from Miyako Island to Ikema Island. It is good to spend your time a little here having lunch and buying souvenirs. The building you're watching now is called Kaimio. This is a picture of Beni Imo Mochi. Mochi is used. This is so springy on the inside and covered with much sesame. If you go down the stairs beside this restaurant, Ohama Beach is there. It's worth visiting this beach. Ikema Island has no famous attractions like Hama Beach, but the whole of this island is surrounded by a sweet atmosphere. You can look out over Nishihanazaki, Miyako Island, Irabu Island, and Ogami Island from Ikema Bridge. I think it will be a good idea to spend your time in Ikema Island. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end this time too. See you next time. Bye.